Hi, this is Miranda and welcome back to my channel. This is for Confessions of the Paper Addict Cup File Shop, and what Virginia asked us to do was to ask her what type of build something. So I asked for a coffee bar because I would like to build like a coffee bar type style. So she made like a Keurig machine on there and some K-cups and all this kind of stuff, right? So I decided to weld them together, and I will link my description down below the the how I weld on my layouts together, like the cut files together, I should say. So I will make sure that that is linked down below. But I did weld this together so that it is all nice, and I can just place it all down in one shot. I did off camera back this cut file, and I am using the collection from Close to My Heart, and it is called In This Together, I think. Yeah, In This Together. And it's got a bunch of purples and yellows and greens, all of that. And it talks about how we're staying home and, kind of binge watching, getting, kind of things all caught up. And I thought that this would work awesome with the Build a Coffee Bar collection, or I should say cup file, because I am using the photo of my first of many days of being on Zoom at home with my students. And I thought that that was perfect. My very first cup to inaugurate like the 2 weeks of being virtual, I did my coffee cup that says the best teacher ever, or just the best teacher, or something like that. And that is the coffee cup, and the kids always want to know what coffee cup Miss Webber has next. Like, what is she going to have for a coffee cup? So I was like, you know what? I've got to document this. So that's what I am doing. And I am sorry that I'm off camera down on the bottom. Luckily enough, when this goes up, this will be like one of the last few layouts where I will have my new phone then. You guys, you don't understand, like, I'm ecstatic. Now, don't get me wrong, I love my Galaxy. It is awesome and all, but I am upgrading. I'm upgrading pretty good. So I'm excited for it to come in. Let me tell you, I'm tired of it just deciding to cut things off, move wherever it feels like moving. This is ridiculous. So I'm placing those little bits and bobs down at the bottom. Best teacher. I think it's best teacher ever is what it's called. Yeah, best teacher ever. That's the cup I have. And I started this one out with that. And I thought that this would be fun to do with this particular cup file and with the collection that I'm using. So I thought that works wonder. And I'm sorry for my voice. It's just been allergy city here. While everybody in Texas and all of them got the nasty snow, and I feel horrible for them, we have been getting the rain left and right. It's not cold enough for it to... It's like it all dumped in Texas, but then left us with the rain. I don't know. It's crazy. This weather is just insane. So, sorry about my voice. It doesn't sound right, but I promise you it is all allergy related, okay? So, I only got the paper pad, the little enamel dots that you see at the top, and then the sticker pad for this one. I just wanted to get a little bit of this collection because as much as I love like companies doing up all of this because of, what the normalcy is, I'm kind of over this too at the same time. Like, I just want, even though that we have like a new normal, or what is considered a new normal right now, I'm just tired of seeing it. So I got it because I do have some other collections of this too. So, I swear my camera moves whenever it feels like it. So I'm adding the little coffee cups everywhere on here, and my title is called Stay Home. And I thought that this was like a pun, but yet still fitting, because we are staying home, we're staying safe, and it just works, right? So I thought that that would be a nice title to this, and I just love this purple. All this purple that they put in here is just fantastic, fantastic. Fantastically fantastic. Isn't that a way to say it, right? So now I'm placing hearts all over. And I thought that that was fitting too, because I do like the hearts. I think they're good for it. And currently, that title or that little strip that I put up there is called Currently Hibernating. And then on this other side, I put something about being home. Or I'm such a homebody or something like that. And then I'm placing this one as working from home because I thought that that was fitting because obviously I am working from home. So make sure that you go check out Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop. She has all of these plus all of the other build-a-whatevers they are. She's got tons of them, so go check it out. I did put this hand sanitizer in there because I thought that I just love it. I'm going to be honest with you. I just love it. I do come in with some splatters too. And that is done off camera as well. I do put this laptop because obviously I am working on a desktop because we're doing this. And it's not like I'm binge watching, but I kind of did do a bunch of binge watching when I was home, stationed at home and everything. So I come in with the enamel dots and then that's it. Off camera, I do the splatters as well. Make sure that you check out her shop and her group. All of that's down below. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I love to have you. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do traveler's notebooks, design team layouts, 12 by 12 collaborations, all of that stuff. And I would love to have you. I just hit 2,500 subscribers, so I'm on my way to 3,000. Once I hit 3,000, I give away, I do a fantastic, amazing giveaways. I do a set for the international, and I do a set for... I do a set for international, and then I do a set for the United States. Lordy Lord. So here are the splatters. I hope that you all are staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.